In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert multiple images in Microsoft Word. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is firstly open up your Word application, and you can do it on an existing document or a brand new one if you want to. But then once you're here, on the top left, go ahead and click on Insert, and then you're going to see Pictures as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to see this device. So go ahead and click on that. Now just find whichever pictures you want. So I'm just going to go to my desktop and I'm just going to find two pictures to do this with, like these ones right here. Then all I'm going to do is go ahead and press insert like so. And then that's literally it. I can add as many as I want, and you can add a whole folder of images if you want to. And if I want to add more, I can also go ahead and do that. So go to pictures, this device, and then once just find whichever thing I want. So let's just go here. And yeah, now I have 3 images, and then I'm just like move them around, do whatever I want with them. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.